Hi! This is the Bobble Stitch pillow that I made with the same chenille yarn from the pointed blanket. I decided on the Bobble Stitch to accent the popcorn and the blanket pattern. The thing was, as I was getting close to the desired size in the blanket, I said, how am I going to get this designed with all 4 colors? I mean, the skein has the 4 colors, but they're not repeating in any way. So I decided to put the blanket aside as I got to that desired size and used the last fresh skein, created the pillow, and then with those leftovers went back and finished the blanket and did the edging. So how I put this together. So it is a pillow cover. So there's the outside, the cover part is the crocheted. The back is the cotton fabric. And the inside is just 2 pieces of cotton sewn together with fiber fill. And then I secured them with some snap fasteners. And I thought it would be funny to show you. These are the snap fasteners that I used from Woolworth's, 19 cents. I don't throw anything away. Here's a quickie demonstration on how the Bobble pillow was done. I used a 10mm hook, just like I did for the throw. The pillow pattern calls for a chain 32, but I'm going to chain 12 for demonstration. So it starts with a slip knot. Like I said, I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 12. There's our foundation. The pattern is a multiple of 2 plus 2, or you could just say any odd number plus 1. So your first row, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and we're going to single crochet in each stitch across. You have to feel, sometimes you have to feel for where the stitch is. You can't see with chenille like other yarns. Okay, so row 1 would be 11 single crochets. So now we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and in the very first stitch, a single crochet. And the next stitch is a bobble. A bobble is a yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, insert again, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through. So you do that 4 times. And lastly, yarn over, pull through all 9 loops on your hook. Your next stitch will be a single crochet. The next stitch, another bobble. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull through. Yarn over, insert, grab your yarn, pull through. Yarn over, insert, grab your yarn, pull through. Yarn over, and pull through all 9 loops. And sometimes when you do these chunky stitches, you might not find your next stitch, so you want to look for it, make sure you get it. Insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, single crochet. Next is a bobble, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through. I think that was 3, 2, 4, 6, 7. One more. Pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 9 loops. And the other thing too, so there's a lot of different types of hooks. Some have the handles. I like the other hooks for most projects, but for this, because the yarn's so thick and you need some space, this hook really works best. That leaves 1 stitch left. We're going to do a single crochet. And we will chain 1, turn our work for row 3. Row 3, so we're going to single crochet in the first stitch, and we're going to single crochet in each stitch across. Basically, it's a repeat of row 1. Okay, so that's 3 rows. So we started with a chain of, what did I say? A chain of 12. And then we did a single crochet row, and then your bobble row, which is row 2, was a single crochet, a bobble, single crochet, a bobble, and so forth. And then row 3, a single crochet. So the next row, if you were to do row 4, you would chain 1, turn your work, and you'd be doing another bobble row like row 2. So if you noticed, there is a back and there is a right side to this work. So you want to put your bobbles on your even rows so that they all look the same and uniform. So now you can see the look. The pillow is 25 rows. You want to keep repeating rows 1 and 2 until row 24. And row 25 is simply just a single crochet in each stitch for that very last row, which is how we start. The pattern and where I changed colors is in the description below. Enjoy! So I hope you like it, and maybe you'll have fun making one also. Thanks for watching.